elevate rustic bed gardening for beginning. Gardening is a reward hobby that contracts you with nature and often fresh home growth productive, but for main traditional gardening can be entering design into hard salt with weak and memory pool can be star out feel like that were elevate rustic gardening bed come in elevate rustic gardening bed often or canvas fact bring friendly a way to growing vegetable herb and even flower. Whether your task own space have mobile limited or simple want to streamline your gardening affect that much to be perfect solution. Very well that the benefit gardening idea material step up plant type and minimize to help you get starting with elevate rustic bed gardening. No growing tram traditional when it's an elevate rustic gardening bed. An elevate rustic gardening bed is the gardening connect that rustic often the group supported by unit allow you to gardening at weight height to a height unlike in grow and low rustic bed. Those bed not requested bin, which the great for access and comfort. Elevate the stick bed can be make for material for plants and trapping with high quality to provide and growing comfort. Then come in a various of style and size for wood, box, and stone kits. Benefit of elevate rustic gardening bed. Gardening. Here are some complaint. Recent when elevate bed are a great for gardening. Easy to of access. Elevate bed are idea for people with limited mobile or everyone would want to even keep them helpful or individual recover for injury. Battle soul controlling. You fit the bed with the sort of your choice. Give you keep control over the quality and structure of the growing mid. This is perfect useful. It's the negative sub in your area is poor stored or containment. Excellent during elevate rustic gardening bed. Complement to in group bed. This read that rustic of root top and allow plants to in a wall area weak and fault benefit to the bed and rustic weak sublike to build in a geometry. It's also more defined mean post like salt to restrict your plants. Space effect professional for smart yard patio, or even branch. Elevate bed can maximize your growing space or style. Gardening access, such as trellis, can also be attacked. A stand growing season. Elevate bed warm up fast in season. Stand water more effect, which can help your fast plants in the season. Choose the right elevate bed. When choose a build your elevate rustic bed. Thank you for watching this video.